Hey, Mr. Lee. This is Denisha Wiggins. This is my business of Sell Connect Marketing, and I definitely just want to thank you guys for giving me the opportunity to show you what I could possibly do for your business. Um, and before I jump in, I do want to say that I love how your page is clean, it's neat, it's clear, it is well organized on each of your pages. So this is basically a video analysis of your web page, and I'll be going over three things that brings more customers to your business. The three things I'll be going over with you is content, backlinks, and citations. And at the end of the video, if you like what you hear, you guys can reach back out to me for more information. To see how I could possibly partner with you. And if not, just take it all as free information. So yeah, we're gonna dive right in. So the first thing I want to go over with you guys is something called content. Um, Generally, Google likes to see between 1,500 and 2,000 words on a homepage. All right, this is your homepage. Let me just get the words off of here and put it into my word counter. So you guys have 550 words on your homepage, and these guys are your competition. Stewart's Lawn, Lawn and Landscaping. These guys are your competition. If we go to Google, type in landscaping Charlotte, North Carolina, um, these guys are the ones that pop up. Right, where are they? Right here, Stewart's Lawn and Landscaping. So I'm going to go on their page. This is their homepage. I'm going to do the same thing. Let's see how many they have. They have 463. So they're below you, but you guys are still below the 1,500 to 2,000 words mark. And you actually want to make sure you have keywords on your homepage in order for Google to find you guys authority. And a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. So if we go back to Google, I'm just going to refresh it here. So if we type in landscaping Charlotte, North Carolina, you guys don't pop up first, right? You don't pop up on the first page. And we know generally people don't go through multiple pages looking for a service. We just go to the first few ones that we see. So that would be a keyword that you guys would want to put on your website. And we see up here that the volume is 1,000 a month, which means that's 1,000 people per month that you guys are missing out on by not being ranked here at the top, right? So you definitely want to make sure you have between 1,500 and 2,000 words on your page, and you also want to make sure you have keywords on your page as well to help you get ranked. So the next thing I want to talk to you guys about is something called backlinks. And a backlink is anywhere where you find someone's web page linking back to your site. And this is basically like a popularity contest in Google's eyes. But not all backlinks are equal. So for example, you wouldn't want a burger shop linking back to your page, saying, hey, this is the best landscaping company. They're a burger shop. That's not relevant. So you want to keep it relevant to your industry, which is landscaping. So I'm going to take you to a tool that I use called Hrefs. I pay $400 a month for this, but I use it to get a lot of information for a website, and it helps me to keep up with competition. And you guys can use this as well. So we're looking at your business here, Buckeye Landman, and you guys have 10 backlinks within your individual website, and you have just 2 referring domains. So basically just 2 other sites linking back to yours, saying that you guys are a great landscaping company. And these guys are your competition. Stewart's Lawn and Landscaping. They have 117 backlinks. Okay. And you guys have, and they also have 28 referring domains, which means, 28 other websites saying these guys are the better landscaping company. So we could also go inside of here and see which web pages are referring back to theirs. Lawn starter. Okay, okay. Remember what we were talking about? Relevant backlinks. This is a relevant backlink. It's powerful. The more relevant backlinks you have, the more powerful your site becomes. Landscape maintenance. Yep, that's a blog. Expertise. That's a great one as well. Local.yahoo. Okay, so you get the point. It's basically a popularity contest for Google. The web page with the most backlinks and the most relevant backlinks wins, right? So the third thing I wanted to go over with you is citations. Let me pull up Google here. Refresh it. Okay. So this is called the Map Pack. This is where your Google business profile lives. And this is the map here. And let's see. Go into the businesses. And so a citation is anywhere where your business name, address, and phone number is shown exactly as it is here on the Google business profile, right? And basically you can submit your citation into directories like Yelp, BBB, Angie's List, Expertise. You can even submit them into social media as well. And having more of your citations posted on other directories is how you get into the map pack, right? And there's other factors that help you rank in the map pack as well, like having the most 5-star reviews or having more photos than your competition here. So so we can go over to a tool that I use called White Sparks. This is about $70 a month, depending on your plan. And we can see that you guys at Buckeye Landscape Management have 2 citations, and your competition, Metro Greenscape, let's go back. Yep, they're the first one because this is an ad and this is an ad. So Metro Greenscape, excuse me, they have 42 citations. And that's beatable because what we can do is we can go into your competition citations and submit your citation to these same directories and more to make sure that we're staying ahead of them, So they have good ones, of course, BBB, Bing, Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Page. They have a lot of good directories that their citations are posted on. So yeah, having a lot of citations is really what gets you ranked in the map pack. It's what gets you ranked in the map pack here. It's what gets you the revenue, and it's extremely important because it's the first thing that people see when they type in your service, right? And I don't believe you guys have a Google business profile, so that's something you guys should definitely get started with doing. So yeah, the 3 things that I went over with you, they're important because the idea is that your brand gets to be found by Google because Google is constantly searching the internet. And the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you, so the more you'll rank. So yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you. We looked at the content. Remember, that's 1,500 to 2,000 words. and specific keywords thrown in there. You want backlinks as well. That's the Google popularity contest I was telling you guys about, where you have more pages linking back to yours so that you could win, right? And then you want to make sure you have those citations in your Google Business profile, from your Google Business profile. That's your name, your address, and your phone number listed into directories so that you can go ahead and get your business ranking in the map pack and start bringing in more leads. So yeah, this is generally what I do. I hope that you guys found it helpful. If you did, reach back out to me and we could discuss more. Again, my name is Denisha Wiggins, and I'm the owner of Acel Connect Marketing, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. All right, I will talk to you guys later. Thank you.